Hi friend, welcome you all and everything for MBA. Today me and my teammate Prachi are at DBS Global University Dehradun. So we are going to review the entire campus.
And we'll discuss the life in DGU, the faculty, the type of curriculum you study, fee structure, placement and much more. So you need to stick with us till the very end of the video. So let's come inside with us.
We are going to talk with faculty members. We are going to interact with many students so that we get to know each and everything about DBS.
So without wasting any more time, come inside with us.
What's your name?
आकाश
आकाश. कहाँ से हो आप आकाश?
से लखनऊ से
लखनऊ से. So overall आपको कैसा लग रहा है campus? How's the campus overall?
campus is over good. Sir, my name is Dheeraj. I am from Agra, Uttar Pradesh. And my preferability for the college was ROI and location, as well as the I also heard about the faculties like Shivani ma'am and also from the seniors as well.
Okay.
I am interacting to the seniors as well as the alumni of the college.
What's your good name?
Good morning, sir. Khushi Dubey.
Khushi Dubey. You from which city?
Haridwar.
Haridwar se ho. So you are very familiar with the Uttarakhand and all. How do you find yourself in doing business school?
It's a nice experience. The campus is nice. The faculties are nice. So it's a overall nice experience over here.
And what about the academics?
Academics are very nice. They focus on our academics from all aspects. Like they focus on overall development, like speaking skills, writing skills, everything. The Wednesday activities, everything is nice.
Within कहाँ से हो?
Shillong.
Shillong, Meghalaya.
Yes, sir.
Great. So what makes you think about to choose the DBS?
So the weather here is very good in Dehradun, first
Okay.
of all. And the weather here in Shillong, it's the same.
Uh-huh.
So for me, that's the good, and even the ROI is good.
Uh-huh.
And thirdly, my friend, he recommended me DBS. He said
Okay.
that it's a good college.
Uh-huh.
So I just said it.
So what is the experience till now?
So it's quite good.
Okay. What is the activities which you feel like it's going to helpful for your self
So
development?
quizzes.
Quizzes.
Yes, sir. In
Have you
Wednesday
participated in any clubs
Yes.
or activity? Which club?
activity. So Bulls and Beer Club. Even I got first
What
rank.
this club do?
So Bulls and Beer Club, it's about all stock market.
Okay. So do you feel that these clubs and activities actually helps you?
Yes, sir.
How?
So it will help me to gain knowledge about, like, I want to learn about stocks and all.
Okay.
So it will help me.
So how you find the other classmates?
So they are very good.
Okay. You find there is a good
Yes, sir.
and you're
It's enjoying.
learning. You are enjoying.
Yes, sir.
Great. Hi. What's your good name?
So my name is Diksha Dubey.
Diksha. From where you are?
I'm from Dehradun, Vikas Nagar.
Okay. आप देहरादून विकास नगर से हो.
I completed my graduation from Delhi.
Okay.
And I already done my masters from Chandigarh.
So you feel that Dehradun is the best
Yes.
in that?
Because I feel the nature-wise and industrial area is growing here, and the climate I get over here, I can't find that anywhere else.
But students का ये बोलना होता है कि once you be in Delhi, Bangalore or Pune, you are going to get better exposure. What is your view on that?
I think the faculty we get over here, we are getting from all over the India. Like Siddharth sir is there, he's from Kolkata. So that kind of talent, the knowledge they are having, they are if I compare them with the DU professors, they have the same kind of exposure and knowledge, and they also have the industrial experience, which I find that the professor over there were lacking. So they can give us practical knowledge, not only bookish knowledge, they give us practical knowledge also.
So how is the campus life?
It's good.
What is the overall learning environment you find here?
Overall learning environment in DBS itself is that DBS is focusing more on developing you as a holistic person, not just to stick to your studies, also take out your confidence, speak proficiently. So it is helping you develop as a person, not only as a manager.
आपका लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस क्या है?
लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस काफ़ी अच्छा है. बेसिकली 5 महीने में मेरे को 3-4 टीचर मिले, बहुत अच्छे. हर्षित सर, पीटेश सर एंड राघव सर, दे टीच वेरी वेल. मतलब बैठे हो आपको क्वेरीज आएगा ही नहीं, इतना प्यार से वो लोग पढ़ाते हैं,
अच्छा
सब कॉन्सेप्ट एकदम क्लियर रहता है। तो वो क्लास में बैठ के जो इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है एक स्टूडेंट को, वो कहीं पे नहीं लग सकता।
आपके हिसाब से कितना प्लेसमेंट होगा?
मेरा
हाँ मतलब कितना लगता है कि हाँ लग जाना चाहिए इतना? तो
मेरा लग जाना चाहिए 13-14।
अच्छा 13-14
हाँ,
अभी
हाँ,
कितना
yes.
चल रहा होगा?
मिनिमम 8 to 10 मिनिमम।
8 to 10
मिनिमम या
अच्छा ओके। बट स्टूडेंट कई लोग बोलते हैं कि 6-7 भी है।
हाँ हाँ वो फिर बच्चों के ऊपर है।
बट आप बच्चों को स्टूडेंट्स को मिला है 8 to 10 8 to 10 में
हाँ,
आपके सीनियर से बात होती है?
हाँ कुछ सीनियर्स हुई
तो उनका
है आराम से।
placement हुआ?
9
एवरेज मिनिमम इज 8 to 10।
अच्छा
एवरेज
8 to 10 मिल जाता है।
हाँ एवरेज मिनिमम।
The schedule over here is hectic or manageable?
Well, I guess it is a management program, so we have to manage time very well. There are a lot of activities going on in the classrooms. We are studying also, we are presenting also. So for this presentation, sir has actually taught us many things about POM. And
Okay.
we have gone through many concepts of it, and then we are presenting using those concepts. So it was a great learning because first we learned about it, and then we are presenting. Hectic, I would say a lot, because we have different quizzes in one day. We have to present also. We have to do our learning also in the same particular day. We have our exams coming up. So yeah, time management is all we have to do.
Hello, my name is Unnayan Prasad, and I am from Sambalpur in the state of Odisha.
Okay. And before choosing DGU, you must have appeared for any management entrance exam. If you
Yes, I took 1 year drop for the education purpose and for the entrance purpose. I attempted CAT for the first time and I got around 89 percentile. I cracked SNAP with a percentile score of 95. I got the admission in Symbiosis, but Pune was far away from Dehradun, and the background of Dehradun is like P school, so I chose this college.
okay. Also, I want to ask you कि since you already cracked SNAP and CAT में भी आपके 89 percentile marks थे, उसके बाद coming to DBS, that to देहरादून में जहाँ एक्सपोजर के लिए बच्चे थोड़े सा कंफ्यूज तो होते ही हैं कि दिल्ली बैंगलोर जैसी टॉप सिटीज में आपको एक्सपोजर ज्यादा मिलेगा, तो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली मेड यू चूज डीबीएस?
Actually, my father was a great influence in this. He told me to come here because the people from across the country would come here and get some exposure, and plus one of my seniors from previous college, he was in here.
Okay.
So I asked him about the college. He told me about the rules and regulations and the discipline and the faculty. So I chose this college about that only, because I got the admission in Delhi also and Pune also.
Okay,
I
okay.
chose this college because of that senior, about what he told me and the reviews of this college.
So hello everyone, today I am at DGU campus and there is something very interesting happening over there. So I'll tell you about the nightlife in DGU campus. फटाफट से we'll explore. So hi, what are you guys up to over here?
So we are the music club of the DBS Global University. We have 22 plus clubs in the university, and we are doing a jamming session. We
Okay.
do it every day.
Okay.
So we are having fun.
So I'm Prachi and I myself like music a lot. So if you guys can start few jamming session for me so that I can also enjoy campus life for a while.
Yeah, you can suggest a song or we
I'll
can play it
suggest
for you.
you 90s song.
90s song.
Yeah, something.
Okay,
90s.
so we can play a 90s song. Anything. हमको करीब से आपके नसीब में तेरा आकाश हो ना हो, लग जाने से।
So now we have final year student with us and these guys are in MBA final year. So we'll take some key insights. So you guys can start with your introduction.
Hello, ma'am. Nice to meet you. And my name is Arsalan Ahmed. I come from Bihar,
Okay.
and my specialization in MBA is finance,
Okay.
and minor being marketing.
Okay.
And I'm placed at Tech Mahindra.
Okay.
Hi everyone, hi ma'am. My name is Muskan Tripathi. I'm originally from Mumbai. I've completed all my schooling years there. In DBS Global University, I'm pursuing marketing as my major and international business as my minor, and I'm placed at Crescendo Global.
Hello everyone, I'm Shrija and I'm currently pursuing my MBA from DBS Global University with major in finance and minor in marketing. and I'm placed at Deloitte.
Hello everyone, I'm Badal Kumar Singh and I'm from Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. I'm currently pursuing MBA from DBS Global University with a major in finance and minor in marketing. I'm currently placed in Tech Mahindra.
What type of internship you guys did over here?
So ma'am, I got my internship from campus itself from Text to Win, which was situated in Jaipur.
Okay.
And the major role was marketing over there.
Okay.
And we had to connect with the clients for their GST processing and ITR filing services.
I got my internship at NJ Wealth. It's
Okay.
a largest mutual fund distribution company here itself at Dehradun.
Okay.
And my role was generally, it was a B2B business, so I had to manage mutual fund things, and they also got me in different sessions, which enhanced my knowledge.
Okay, great.
So I got placed at Zara. It's a premium fast fashion brand. So it was quite an experience for me. We were not limited to doing sales there. It was quite a good exposure because we were doing catchment analysis, visual merchandising. We were also interacting with customers. And by the end, we also did a project for Zara where we were basically trying to implement strategies that can make them diversify themselves.
So the internship was provided by the college
By the
itself?
college itself,
Okay,
yeah.
great.
And I also got a PPO from, an offer from Balenciaga and Steve Madden because of that opportunity.
Okay,
so
great.
it worked out well.
Great. So
Yeah.
since all of you are already placed, so I
Yeah.
would like कि आप लोग highlight कर सको your placement and what all other companies options जो आपके पास थे in campus and why you opted for that particular company you are placed now. So we'll start with you.
Since I'm placed at Tech Mahindra,
Mhm.
before that I was sitting in the interview for Deloitte,
Deloitte also.
and
Okay,
there was a company called Urban Company,
okay.
and it was a good
Urban
growth.
company is very famous right
Yes,
now.
yes,
Yeah,
yes. It is growing at a very good
yeah.
pace
Yeah,
now,
definitely.
and the location was Bangalore, and
Okay.
the role was consultant.
Okay,
So I
okay.
was interested into that,
Okay,
and
okay.
then second was Deloitte, and I got Tech Mahindra in my third opportunity.
Okay, okay. So you had multiple offers. It
Yes,
was
yes.
not you guys were not pressurized to go for the first company you get an option.
Yes.
with. Okay.
Since my major is finance, so I was looking for something in finance domain.
Okay.
But we should not always be limited.
Definitely.
Yeah. So if anyone is getting an opportunity,
Mhm.
good location, good package in
Mhm.
terms of, and because you always want opportunity to grow.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's what everyone should look at, and they should not limit their scope.
Okay. I'll ask one more. What is your current CTC you are placed at?
My current CTC is, I will not say the exact number,
Okay.
but I will definitely for the viewers give a range between 7 to 8.
Okay, great. If you can also.
Yeah, so I got placed at Crescendo Global. Before that I also sat for placements with Hafele, Sid Farms, and a couple other companies which I was interested in. The reason why I chose Crescendo Global was it is much more aligning with my skills and skill sets, which is interacting with customers and building my profile accordingly. If I could highlight how DBS helped me in this, I was a CDC mentor in my first year, and the company shortlisted my profile in my first year. So in this round, I did not give a GD or anything; they just took me directly. I did give a PI, but that was the final process, and they customized the profile specifically depending on my skill set.
Okay.
So they were hiring for recruiters, but they made a position of manager, that is client account manager, available for me, and I got placed into it. So that was much more aligning with my perspective. So I thought that was the better
And
opportunity.
your CTC?
My CTC is 8LP.
8 LK. Great.
I got placed in Deloitte, and that was my first company which I sat for the interview, and I got placement for that. Then for the next options, I had PIB Insurance, and also I tried in Tech Mahindra as well. So there was not any pressure that I had to join only one company, but obviously it's Deloitte, it's the brand. So I took Deloitte, and my CTC is 8 LPA.
Okay.
So I have joined. I've got a placement in Tech Mahindra, and there were multiple offers available in the campus itself. Many companies were there, but according to my major specialization, I was looking for that kind of role. So at first, I sat for Deloitte, but what intrigued me when I saw the role of bid management that was offered by Tech Mahindra itself. So it was kind of interesting also the role because it was a new for me. So that I sat for that interview and I was able to clear that. My current CTC is around 7 lakh.
आपका क्या नाम है?
सर अनुराग यादव।
कहाँ से आए हो?
यूपी आजमगढ़।
आजमगढ़ से
जी,
आए हो?
जी।
तो डीबीएस को क्यों आपने मतलब क्यों सेलेक्ट किया डीबीएस को?
पहले
क्या
तो
लगा यहाँ इस कैंपर में अच्छा है?
यहाँ का मुझे इन्वायरमेंट बहुत अच्छा लगा, लोकेशन, प्लेस और यहाँ का ROI बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है।
अच्छा, तो आपको क्या प्लेसमेंट बताया गया था?
ऑन एन एवरेज 12 to 13 लाख
एवरेज बताया गया
ऑन
था?
एन एवरेज।
ज़्यादा नहीं है?
ऑन एन एवरेज तो यही था और
अच्छा।
हाईएस्ट तो 24
तो
25
आपने
था।
ग्रेजुएशन में क्या किया हुआ है?
बीकॉम।
आपने
BBA।
तो जब आप कॉलेज डिसाइड कर रहे थे तो कौन कौन से कॉलेज थे तुम्हारी लिस्ट में?
हमारे लिस्ट में अगर देहरादून में ही देखा जाए
हाँ।
तो मैं ग्राफिकरा को भी टारगेट किया था, उत्तरांचल को भी टारगेट किया था, बट
हाँ।
मैं वहाँ पे गया तो तीनों को मैं
Compare
किया, तीनों को कंपेयर किया तो बेस्ट ऑप्शन हमको दून बिजनेस ही लगा।
तो आपको जैसा बताया गया था, जैसे कॉलेज ज्वाइन होने से पहले कोई बोलता है अरे ये बहुत अच्छा है, वो बहुत अच्छा है, ऐसा बहुत अच्छा है, तो जब कैंपस में आए क्या वो सेम लगा या थोड़ा बहुत
हाँ।
कमी है?
कैंपस में आया तो एक मैनेजमेंट लाइफ कैसा होता है, जो बच्चे MBA परस्यू कर रहे हैं उनका लाइफस्टाइल कैसा होता है वो तो देखने को मिल रहा है क्लियर। और यहाँ पे काफ़ी स्ट्रिक्ट है मैनेजमेंट, अपने आप में, तो वो चीज़ तो मेरे को दिखा कि हाँ इस कॉलेज में है। अगर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का बात करें तो उतना बढ़िया नहीं है अदर कॉलेज के अकॉर्डिंग, बट यहाँ का स्टडी
क्या
मटेरियल
आपको बढ़िया नहीं लगता है?
कैंपस थोड़ा और बड़ा होना चाहिए था। हाँ,
कैंपस थोड़ा सा एरिया थोड़ा छोटा है।
एरिया छोटा है,
ओके।
बट मेरा मानना है कि स्टडी मटेरियल यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा है,
अच्छा।
फैकल्टीज बहुत अच्छे हैं।
So what is your good name? Tanish Rana. Yes. Based on what criteria you find कि चलो यार I find this is good?
ROI के basis पे।
ROI के बेसिस पे।
और कॉलेजेस थे जैसे UPS हमने रखा था इसमें, तो उसमें फीस बहुत ज्यादा थी।
हाँ।
और फिर मैनेजमेंट के लिए DBS का अच्छा नाम है, हमेशा से रहा है DBS का अच्छा नाम, तो हमने फिर यही चूज करा है। पहले B स्कूल था, ये उसी के लिए फेमस था। वो एक प्लस था यहाँ का, उस चक्कर में हम यहाँ पे आए।
Okay. आपको how did you decide?
place.
Okay. For you also it was place. What in place?
तो पहाड़ चाहिए था सर, थोड़े मौसम
पहाड़
ठंडा
चाहिए
हो।
तो पहाड़ तो मुझे नहीं दिख रहे हैं।
सर मैंने
दिखा है,
हाँ।
फोटो में दिखा है, पीछे वाला।
Please join us. Sit down.
आ जाओ।
Sit down. Come. We'll have big circle. आप कहाँ से?
गोरखपुर यूपी से।
गोरखपुर से। What's your good name?
आकांक्षा मिश्रा।
आकांक्षा मिश्रा। जब आप कैंपस में आ गए तो how was your overall experience in terms of अभी आपको 5-6 महीने हो गए, you are in first year?
Yes sir.
So what is your experience? 5-6 महीने में क्या आपको लगा कि हाँ इस कैंपस में भी मैं अच्छा महसूस कर सकती हूँ?
सर एकेडमिक वाइज अच्छा है सर, फैकल्टीज काफ़ी अच्छी है, सपोर्टिव भी है। ऐसा नहीं है कि हाँ मतलब कुछ होती हैं कि नहीं, मतलब अपने ही अलग एटीट्यूड में चलती हैं, मैंने जो पढ़ा दिया दोबारा मैं नहीं बताऊंगा। आप जब भी जाओगे वो हमेशा हेल्प के लिए रेडी रहते हैं, तो ये सारी चीज़ें अच्छी है।
What is your name? प्रतीक। कहाँ से प्रतीक? आगे इधर गाजियाबाद। क्या पैरामीटर था आपका कॉलेज सेलेक्ट?
कॉलेज का एक तो मतलब इसकी प्लेसमेंट अच्छी थी बाकी कॉलेजेस के मुकाबले, इसका इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर भी बाकियों के हिसाब से बेटर था। ठीक है, यूपीएस में फीस बहुत ज़्यादा, मतलब इट्स वेरी मच। वो एक नॉर्मल मिडिल क्लास और हायर मिडिल क्लास के लिए इतना अफोर्ड करना नहीं होता है, तो उससे बेटर होता है कि वो ऐसे ऑप्शंस पे जाना प्रेफर करते हैं कि एक आपके बजट में भी रहे, बजट फ्रेंडली भी हो, एंड जिसकी प्लेसमेंट ROI भी थोड़ा ठीक हो, बाकी उससे तो बेटर हो। तो दैट्स वाई मैंने फिर DBS चूज किया था।
So I can see some pretty people over here. So I would like to ask them what these guys are up to. So फटाफट से किसी से conversation start करते हैं. So hi, I'm Prachi, and what you guys are up to over here?
Hi, I'm Akansha. I'm the vice president of dance club. So we have our flash mob coming up, so we are practicing for that, and we do have regular classes going on.
Okay.
So it's basically a stress buster for all the students out there, because we do have a very hectic schedule with our classes and all. So dance is what makes everyone happy and jolly. So that's our initiative, just to make everyone happy out there.
And you guys practice every day?
Yes, we do have regular practices, and you are also welcome to join us.
I will love if you guys could teach me certain steps.
Yeah, sure, why not?
Okay,
Why don't you
great,
join
then.
us?
Wonderful.
अब हम लोग आ गए हैं हॉस्टल में, बिकॉज हॉस्टल का भी स्टूडेंट्स को लेके बहुत कंसर्न होता है कि सर हाउ इज द हॉस्टल, व्हाट आर द फैसिलिटीज। तो वी आर एट न्यू रेजिडेंसी बॉयज हॉस्टल, एंड न्यू का मतलब बिल्कुल यहाँ पर आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा। नाउ यू कैन सी द बिल्डिंग, इट्स न्यूली कंस्ट्रक्टेड, you know, it's like, you know, giving the corporate like feel, and you can get in this hostel by entering this corridor, and here is also written the new boys hostel, and you can go upstairs by using this lift. There are 2 lifts which I am finding here. There are 2 lifts, and then if you are fitness freak, you like doing gymming a lot, so I can see there is a very good gym with almost every equipments here. Okay, my goodness, what, wow. So if you are a fitness freak, so you will find every equipment here. Now let's take a look to mess also, जहाँ पर आप लोग रोज खाना खाएंगे, लंच करेंगे, ब्रेकफास्ट करेंगे, डिनर करेंगे। Now let me give you a glimpse that how the rooms look like, what is the infrastructure in the room, and what all facility you get in the room. Because lot of students says that कि sir hostel में क्या क्या facilities मिलेगी, तो देख ही लेते हैं, उससे better क्या पता चलेगा। तो फटाफट से we'll just go upstairs with the lift and then explore the room. I think the size should be around 12 by 12. Somewhere around 2 beds are there, 2 tables are there, study tables is there, and then you get the wardrobe. This is the wardrobe one student can use. I think it's sufficient, having a ample amount of space where you can keep all your clothes and everything. And this is one second student can use this wardrobe, and this is a lovely balcony so that you have the sunshine coming. So hostel is fantastic. I would definitely say if you guys have a concern about the hostel, you can see this room. All the rooms here in this particular hostel, New Boy Residency Hostel, is same. So they can be 3 bedroom, 2 bedroom, single bedroom. But if you talk about the infrastructure, it is really good, very good in fact.
So we are just in between the campus of DBS Global University, and for one entire day we have explored every bit and corner of the campus. So sir, what is your opinion about the campus, faculty and life over here?
See, if I can see in terms of campus, campus is really very decent. Yes, it is not that vast like you get in the Greater Noida, like 100 acre or 200 acre, but it's a decent compact campus.
Okay.
If I talk about the opportunities, see, ultimately students are here for some learning or transforming themselves. What I found it like most of the students have given a lot of good rating about the faculties. So faculties are doing their work perfectly.
Okay.
And the best part is that there are a lot of clubs and activities are there. See, MBA is all about transforming yourself. MBA is all about, developing yourself, making yourself more intellectual, making yourself more interactive, understanding the different things, getting into the new groups, gelling with the people, creating networking. MBA is all about this, because you have done already academics, you have done your 12th, you have done your graduation. So academics will be definitely taken care of by the faculties, and they are doing the perfect job. But when it comes your own self development, now you got to understand that what is there lacking in me. You have to understand what is my peer group is all about, who is doing best in what terms. So these all things, till the time you will not fight with your insecurities, till the time you will not open up, okay, I'm not able to communicate properly, let me go and join the club which is more focusing on public speaking or the presentation skills. If I'm not doing in the technology, let me go and join the clubs which is having more regular activities about the technology. And the second thing is that the things here is like, you also have kind of things where you can follow your own passion. If you like to travel a lot, then there is a bag and packers group, which I find out from yesterday student. So there are a lot more activities. See, ultimately it's you who have to transform yourself. I have been saying that the placement is not going to happen till the time you show your ability, you show your skill, you show your intellectual. Because ultimately, yes, academic matters, but all the things matters is your personality. Campus has everything. Campus has created all the opportunities. There are dance clubs, there are sports clubs, there are, we have seen the music club, and there are a lot of clubs. But it's you who has to transform. Because ultimately the जो placement होगा वो तुम्हारा होगा, student का होगा, college का नहीं होगा. So I think this is what I feel like, that student has to take in their mind, that it is you who will get the placement, not the college. This I feel like that.
Okay, so if you'll talk about my impression over here, so it was, I found very diverse crowd, and that I loved the most, because until and unless you interact with multiple people with different culture, you won't be able to understand Indian market, and which is very necessary for any MBA student. Apart from this, the way they have indulged academics with curricular activity ka tadka, that was one of my best experience over here. And the way these guys are putting a constant effort to introduce new thing in campus, be it their certification, be it the type of faculty, be it the type of culture they
and
are
the business quiz and all those things.
quiz and everything.
In fact, some of the students have told us that they have participated in different then they have reached to the state level, then the national level, and they have won the awards also.
Definitely.
So these things actually reflect that you have many things which you can try during your entire campus life.
So they are willing to put an effort, and students really appreciating their efforts. So I think they are up to a new better India.
Yes.
And a new better future of MBA in India, definitely.
Definitely.
So we have everything here at DBS, be it global, be it international business, be it your marketing, finance, HR. And I can say you this thing, that I am very happy with the environment, with the culture, with the faculty.
Because this is also a kind of this is also a kind of exposure for me also.
Definitely.
To understand, to speak to the students and find out what is their view, what is important for them. Even many of the students said we love the extracurricular activities more than the academics.
Definitely.
So they are like they don't want to miss class. I was interacting with some of the students. Sir, I have the sports activity plan, so I don't want to miss, because that is I have the quiz plan. So this is like, this shows that some of the students definitely are taking best advantage of the faculties, best advantage of the activities, and best advantage of the clubs. So I think they definitely they are going to get the best of the future from here. So in terms of placement, if you say yes, placements are sometimes depends on many things. How the market is performing, what kind of what is the skill requirement of the different companies, what companies have come to the campus. That sometimes, yes, it's keep fluctuating with college to college. But ultimately, if you have the skill, if you have got the if you have understand what kind of things are required in me, inside me, So I think sooner or later you will definitely going to get the placement, whether it's off campus or on campus, you will get the
And I think placement is just an aspect of their MBA journey. It is more about what learning you are taking from here. Once you are a great person inside out, definitely the world is waiting for you to explore more options. So yeah, definitely we loved our day in DBS Global University, and we wish you all the best, and we want you all to come to the campus, explore the nature, vibe and life over here. And for any further query, you can connect us on Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook. If you want, you can call us, message us. Everyone is here to help you out. So we'll see you soon in the next coming video. Thank you so much for watching it out. Thank you so much.
Thank you.